This is a very typical power bank. As you can see, it has some large charging ports, and that's where you plug your phone in to charge it. Also has, they normally have a little small charging port, USB port, and that's for charging this device. This also has an indicator to show how well the battery in this device has been charged, and you can see this is fully charged. So to charge the power bank itself, so you need to do this first before you can use it. So all you need is a computer similar to this and a USB cable. Now you find the charging port on this device, and that's it here. It says in DC. So you just plug this in here. And you'll see the little blue lights light up, and you just let that charge until it's fully charged, and then you can put it in your purse or your bag and use it to charge your device. So to charge a device, all you need to do is you need to use these other USB charging ports. So you plug your USB cable into here, and you get your phone and you plug the other end into the charging port on your phone. And as you'll see in here, it says it's 95% charged and it's charging. And that's all you need to do to use a power bank. Very simple, very useful. If you run out of power or battery in your phone, you can easily charge it up on the go.